Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have the application open, take a moment to ensure that it is updated and running smoothly. This initial step is essential because having the latest version guarantees that you have access to all the newest features and design options that might enhance your presentation. After opening PowerPoint, locate and open the presentation where you intend to highlight your text. Navigate through your files until you find the correct presentation and then open it. Whether this presentation is newly created or an existing file, this step sets the stage for the modifications you are about to make. Being organized with your files will also save time later if you need to revisit this presentation. Once you have your presentation open, carefully select the text that you want to emphasize with a red box. Position your cursor over the text area and click to ensure that it is active and ready to be edited. Taking this moment lets you reread the text and double check that it is the correct selection. Accuracy in this step will avoid any accidental formatting of the wrong content later on. Moving forward, direct your attention to the tab labeled Shape Format. This area of PowerPoint houses several formatting tools and options that will be useful in customizing your visuals. The Shape Format tab is specifically designed to help you modify the appearance of shapes and outlines, and it can also be applied creatively to text elements. Exploring this tab briefly before you begin your modifications could help you understand the range of available options. Within the Shape Format options, locate the command for Shape Outline. This is the feature that allows you to add and modify outlines around shapes, and by extension it can be applied to your selected text to create the desired red box effect. Finding the correct command might take a moment, so carefully scan through the available options if it does not immediately appear. After selecting Shape Outline from the format options, you will need to choose your desired color, which in this case is red. Click on the color selection and a palette or menu will appear to allow you to browse the available colors. From the list, choose red. The red color not only creates a high contrast with most background colors, but also draws attention to the text, emphasizing its importance within your presentation. By following these instructions, you will have successfully added a red box around your text in your PowerPoint presentation. Remember that these steps are designed to guide you through the process in a clear and sequential manner, ensuring that even if you are new to PowerPoint, you will be able to enhance your presentation with visually appealing features. Taking the time to explore these formatting options can lead to more engaging presentations and can help you effectively communicate your key messages.